Hello beautiful people. This is a follow-up video to the review I did on the Burgo Hotel here at Exco in Daegu. If you recognize, this is the department store that is behind the hotel. I want to go on a stroll to see what's behind this place. I really don't know much about what's behind. I was told there are restaurants and stuff, but nothing major. But let's go and find out together what is behind this department store. Let's see. Vamos. It's really empty. I mean, there's really not many people at all. There's nobody actually. It's kind of weird if you think about it. I see some lights though. Let's see what we'll find. This is all the department store, this building. Okay, we're getting now behind the department store. I see some lighting stores there, some restaurants. It's red, but we're gonna jaywalk. There's no cars. These are all lighting stores, if you can see. Let's check them out closely. Guy with a chainsaw, guys. Be careful here. Hey, 안녕하세요. We're gonna abort this area and go back towards the other side of the building. Another restaurant. Liter King. Okay. Big drinks, I guess. Bugsy. Ah, what is that? Let's see what's in here. Nothing much really. Nothing much. Well, that's it really. There's not much to see. I'm gonna go back to the hotel. I just wanted to show you around a little bit, but really there's not much. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this time, and I shall see you on the next video.